Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of turning off two-factor authentication on Snapchat. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account. Let's get started. Open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. From the main screen, tap on your Bitmoji avatar, located in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, find and tap the gear icon in the top right corner. This icon opens the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA. Once in the 2FA menu, you'll see a toggle switch next to the Two-Factor Authentication option. Tap the switch to turn it off. A pop-up message will appear, asking you to confirm that you want to disable two-factor authentication. This message will remind you that your account will be less secure without 2FA. And that's it. You've successfully turned off two-factor authentication on your Snapchat account. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video.